girl. That is the same girl. My goodness. That's her. Yes. Hello. Listen. I want to know every detail about that girl. Get me every detail about that bitch. Yes. Good. You fucking proposed to her! Oh my goodness!
So, how's the preparations for your coronation going?
It's going on well. My father is doing good about that.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
It's happening tomorrow, right?
Not tomorrow. But Ezemo will confirm me as the only heir by tomorrow. After then, we'll proceed with the rituals.
Wow.
Yeah.
I can't wait, baby. I just can't wait for you to be crowned the crown prince of your kingdom.
Me too, I can't wait. I can't just wait.
Oh, yeah.
Being crowned the next king of this land. Babe.
Yeah.
Can you please help me with a bottle of wine from the minibar?
Baby, can you say that please like you mean it?
Please, can you help me get a bottle of wine from the minibar?
Alright, I'll be back.
Yeah, Jude, what's up? The lady we met at the restaurant today. I need every information about her. Yes, I need it ASAP. Everything, just get me her details. Alright, we'll be waiting. That's my baby.
Yes,
That's my baby.
I came with 2 glasses because I want to drink with you.
Sure.
You good?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Okay.
Prince, don't break my arrow. If your prince get another kid, you just leave me, abandon me, go make another kid. But it's alright. As long as I get Ikwe back in. My own I used to chop the money. After all, I don't get 3 plot of land for my finish. My papa and my mama didn't fit well. Who prince they even ape. Very soon I go just build house, give my parents. But my idea for that, trifle. Straight God, that driver is so handsome. Should take away. If me and I marry, we go match you. As long as we are not worried, but we are just domestic violence. Yeah, violence. Domestic stuff. Hey! That one go match you. I might go check my food for fire.
you come into the palace of a great king,
Yes.
you have enough to eat.
I can see my good friend is.
You have plenty.
Why does it smell like this? Oduak. What is this?
Food, my princess.
You must be very stupid. What do you mean this is food? What did you prepare and you call this shit food?
Do you mistake kerosene for water or what?
Kerosene? Bah, in a brand. Kerosene. No, today I begin to cook for this Paris now. In fact, now even this Irabasi, how to cook food, it learned from me. Now maybe it must.
Everett, shut your mouth! What is this?
Taste the nonsense you cooked, Oduak. I said taste it immediately.
My French people are after you. Mama, see you don't want me to come I swear to God, but you don't make it Paris.
Get in there immediately. Pack your luggage, your stupid things and leave this palace. You shouldn't humiliate me.
You heard her. Pack your things and leave.
How dare you humiliate me this way?
No. Look, it's just a harmless mistake. Such mistakes are unavoidable. It cannot come to anybody.
Igwe, I beg your pardon.
Man, sweetie, you just messed up, man.
Sorry. What did you just call her?
Sweetie, that's her name.
Your sister just called out Oduak. What is sweetie? Wait. You're calling a palace cook a pet name in my presence? Really?
Sweetie is the name they call her. Your dad is aware of that.
Daddy?
Yeah, but Prince, you shouldn't have called her sweetie. Why? You know her name.
Sweetie, they said that.
My Highness. You also calling her sweetie?
No, but that's her name. I said, if people are not comfortable with sweetie, that's
What's wrong with this father and
Expunge it.
son?
This is so humiliating. And you, pack your things and leave this palace. I can't do this.
My princess, I beg, I take on the
I
bed.
can't do this. I'm going for a fast food.
If they said we are sweetie, just remove the sweetie. Yeah.
Look, I take an exception to this. You know what? What's your name? You are fired. I mean now, get out! Get out from here! Get out!
Hey! What's that? You're not yet a member of this family and you're firing people. Is that how you do? Now listen up, everybody. I need to make this clear. I'm no longer comfortable with her being my way. I love someone else. You lie. Dad, I'm serious. You lie. So, you pack your things and go. Lie.
Father, this is the worst humiliation I ever had in my life. I mean,
Pack your things and go.
I'm out of here. Thank you all for ruining my dinner.
What are you talking about? Papa appeared to me. He told me to stay off. That we are no royalties.
Ah! That's a lie. A very big lie. That's not your late father. No.
Mama, whatever thing you did that made that girl not to penetrate, it's okay. I understand. But you need to believe me. He told me in trance that he killed his brother, who is the rightful owner of that crown. Now he's being tormented over there.
What nonsense are you talking about?
Mama, this is not nonsense. Mama, you need to believe me. Mama, if you think I'm lying, why not consult your village dibia and make your findings? Eh? Mama, I can't imagine. I woke up and I saw the tongues lying down all over the places. I have to run away from my life. Mama, who is Oji and Nako? My father told me in trance.
Oji is your late father's younger brother and the wife.
Mama, I'm staying off this, please. My life is too much important to me. Biko.
This is all so confusing. I don't understand. This is very strange.
Very, very strange, Mama.
Mama, no royalty.
I'm the king, the Igwe of this kingdom. My decision stands. I said Uduak is not going anywhere.
Igwe, what are you talking about? Huh? I said she must leave and you say she stays? What are you doing with this dirty cook?
I beg, I don't want to go. I beg, Una, I beg.
You can say any rubbish you want to say. But all I am sure of is that Sweetie is not going anywhere.
Can you imagine? He's even calling her Sweetie.
Father, what did you just call her?
Of course, that's her name.
What is your name?
AKA Sweetie.
Oh, will you shut up? Fool. Father, what is going on? You've never gone against our wishes before. What is going on?
You must be out of your mind to tell me that you will not marry my friend's daughter. If you know what is good for you, call her. Apologize to her. Tell her that everything you said it under the influence of alcohol.
Father, I was never under influence of alcohol. I don't love Doris. I will never marry her. It won't be possible. None of you will force me to do that.
Sweetie, go back to your room. You are not going anywhere. You will remain the cook of this palace. Go back to your room.
You're leaving this palace. What is all this? You must leave this palace. Oh, no, no, leave it. She will leave this palace. She must leave.
So you're sleeping with my daughter right under my roof?
What? May the gods forbid that. Your Highness, I can't do that.
I think the gods better forbid it. So why didn't you go for the weekend? Because of her?
My queen, your daughter asked me to stay back.
Okay. So, have you thought about what we discussed the last time? What do you have to say about it?
Your Highness, with all due respect, I'm not interested. I can't do that. I have a woman in my life.
But I promised I won't meddle in your relationships. Didn't I?
Yes, you did, but... My queen, you're the king's wife. I can't do that. I'm sorry. Besides, it's a taboo. I'll be going against tradition. I can't do that. It's going to be against the gods. And I don't want to get into trouble.
So what are you claiming? Or what are you trying to say? Are you claiming to be a saint? Like you don't have any sin?
Your Highness, not as big as laying with the king's wife. I can't do that. It's an abomination. I don't want to get the wrath of the gods.
Now listen to me. Look at me. I want you to know that my eyes are on you. I'll be watching you very closely. You hear me? My eyes are on you. I don't give up easily. Maybe you don't know. I don't give up easily. And I promise you won't last in this palace as long as I'm concerned. You hear me? You won't last.
This your story is unbelievable, sir. Very unbelievable.
My father killed his brother and wife to thwart the mission of the gods. Because the gods choose his brother to produce the heir to the throne of our kingdom.
Are you serious? What manner of brother was he? You know, this is wickedness, you know.
Serious wickedness.
But he told me in trance that the pregnant wife had a child before she died. I can recall how he told me he gave the royal cowries to the useless Igwe and he betrayed him.
That means, in actual sense, the current Igwe of Uru and his family are not chosen by the gods.
Not at all. His jealousy led him to Chief Akokaria. I wish someday the real heir to the throne will emerge and take what rightfully belongs to him.
Who is that person? Good day. How are you, young lady?
I'm fine.
Who are you? I am Prince Kachi of Olu Kingdom, the next king of my land. I found this beautiful young lady appealing to my eyes, and I've come to let her know that she will be my queen no matter what.
Kashi, you're not a prince.
I beg your pardon. Did you just address me by my name? Who the hell are you?
I am the son of Onowu of Uru Kingdom. My name is Shibike, and don't pretend you don't know me.
Oh! Now I remember. But I thought you were
dead. Huh? Your father is too small to kill me.
I will disregard your interruption, young man. As you can see, I'm a gentleman. I expected your call. Why didn't you call me?
I'll never call you.
Why?
Because I have someone after my heart.
Someone after your heart. This peasant. Kachi. You are beginning to insult my guest. Do not interrupt me, old man. Can't you see that the next king of my kingdom is standing before you and you are interrupting me? Don't do that, alright?
We shall see. The real king will emerge and take what rightly belongs to him.
Let everyone know. Let the people of your kingdom know that I, Prince Kachi, has found a queen. And that queen is this figment of beauty sitting before me. Get ready to be a queen. I live in peace.
We shall see. The real heir to the throne will emerge and take what rightfully belongs to him.
You're just a drunk. I'll let it slide. Fool.
One day, just one day, I got put it fair. I got put it fair.
This guy is stupid though. He thinks we are poor or what?
How did he know you?
Papa Simio. At the fast food. He was living with another woman. Immediately she went to ease herself. He tipped me his card.
Then how did he find my house? I mean, how did he even know you are from this village?
Perhaps he has made his findings.
very arrogant fellow.
So that was a catastrophe. Do you think I will not make my findings? I am going to mess her up. I am going to kill that prisoner. I am going to kill her with my bare hands.
Is that why you brought me here?
Oh, yes, that's why I brought you.
What the hell are we doing here?
Alpha, now I brought you here to warn you to stay away from that girl. Alpha, now you are mine.
No, I'm not yours.
You are.
She's my fiancée and she's not a prisoner. What the hell is wrong with you? Have you lost your mind? What's this? You know what? I quit. Are you the only rich kid in this world? Why are you so proud and arrogant? What the hell is wrong with you?
Alpha, you're yelling at me.
Who the hell are you?
Oh yeah. It is making more sense to me. You came into my life to mess me up. To revenge me, right?
Listen, don't come anywhere close to me. I'll teach you a lesson you never forget. I quit. Nonsense.
Afana, come back here. Afana, I will kill that girl. Afana, come back here. Afana. Ezemo, what are you doing here?
I came to look for the Igwe of Oru Kingdom.
Ezemo, go and look for the Igwe of the Oru Kingdom. What are you doing here?
Tell your father his days are numbered in the palace. You can only cover a pregnancy when it was too small. But when the stomach shoots out, there's nothing you can do. Destiny, they say, cannot be destroyed. The gods have spoken.
Ezemo, you a fool. Ezemo, come back here and rant one more time and watch me crush you with my foot. Fool.
So the chief priest was Simi Mochieze and said all that?
Yes, Father.
And what were you doing there?
I went to meet with that vulcanizer's doctor. Only to find out that that cheap local fool is Afana's girlfriend. I mean, how? How can Afana condescend so low to be with a girl like that? Father, how is it even possible? I mean, that girl is a low-life girl. She has nothing to offer. Nothing.
You shut your mouth. Allow me to think.
Who is the girl and why is she your prisoner?
Kachi, you needed to have seen the way this girl insulted me. She humiliated me and dared to fight me in public.
Really?
I was just smart enough to have left. I mean, this girl would have beaten the living day out of me.
Is she not aware that you are the princess?
I don't know. I had to leave and reinforce, came back, picked her up and put her in cell. Only for father to release her without my consent.
Wow. Do I know this girl? Who is she?
Who is the girl?
That girl must come back, oh. She must come back. The kind of torture I planned giving to her. Nobody will even stop me. Look at her. That's her.
Mom, let me see.
That's the stupid girl. Very dainty looking girl. Look at the low life.
What?
I mean, how can I engage her? How can I engage a girl like this? Yes, that's a fool. That's a fool. That's her.
Kachi, do you know her? What's going on?
Like to think that how can I engage this girl?
Hey, princess. This is the girl I declared to make my wife. Why would you make her your prisoner?
What? Kachi, are you out of your mind? You must be very stupid for saying what you just said. I will tell my father about this. I mean, I came here for us to sort things out, and you look me in the eyes and say this to me? Lolo!
Get out of my sight. I don't love you.
Doris, come back.
You will never be my wife. I don't have what it takes.
My father was here about this.
Exactly, Doris! You want to be my queen.
Doris!
Listen. You must not hurt that girl. She is the one I have made up my mind to marry, and there's nothing anybody can do about it. Not even Afana. I repeat, you must not hurt that girl. I'm only waiting for the Ezemo to confirm me the next king of this kingdom. Don't hurt that girl, else you will face me.
You know what? I don't talk too much. You watch and see. That fool is going down.
You will do nothing.
She will not go down.
Watch me.
Then you get ready to contend with me.
Watch me.
Make sure you bring that girl down to this palace. Bring her here and let me deal with her.
It will never happen.
I will deal with her and let
What I said, it will never happen. I've made up my mind to marry that girl and there's nothing anyone can do about it.
Listen to me, you this idiotic son of mine. You will not spoil the good relationship we have with Chief Mbakwe. Did you hear me? Did you hear me?
Your relationship with Chief Mbakwe is none of my business. That daughter of a fertilizer is whom I want to marry and there's nothing anybody can do about it.
Keep quiet. How dare you? Have you lost it?
I've already made up my mind and I've said what I said. I will marry.
Yes, what's there?
Did you not notice me? Eh? Are you blind? Arama, I have been looking for you. Arama, so you get boyfriend for Oboro, but you don't like that one. You use the kopoko changuko nine with the prince. Now that one you like, you get big eye. My family, shut up your mouth. Eh? What are you still doing inside this palace after what I did to your food? So the king still has the mind to let you flock around this palace, eh? Arama, good. Very, very, very good. Arama, you have killed yourself by yourself. Ah! Arama, you have touched the tail of a tigress. Arama, you fit the strip with my boyfriend, I could forgive you. You fit slap me, you fit eat me, you fit do me anything for this life, I could forgive you, Arama. Arama, but you see that thing where you go to for my food, my career, my bone of bone, my flesh of flesh, something where you know I rough to do with my own heart. You go get mine, spoil my food so that it quick will send me out of this Paris. Arama, I could make you run mad for this Paris, that any pastor will fit cure you of that madness. Did you hear me say? Oh, Arama, I will teach you a lesson you will never forget in a hurry. A lesson indeed. You fool. You think I don't know? That you are the one opening your village local leg for the Igwe. You are doing akuna in this palace. You are doing father and son. Pion, 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 pion. I will expose you. Uduage. I will make sure that I tell everybody in this palace what you are busy doing. This is just the beginning. By the time I'm done with you, oh, it's true. You're the reason why the prince is not noticing me again. Abi, I will deal with you. Arama, you won't use you for me. Uraro. I tell you the money song of Akwa Ibom State. Oh, I would show you that I cannot be intimidated by this. All this thing where you just going on now. Go well on me. Now, Yambrero turn.
This is serious.
Yes.
Nice to meet you. See me and my brother.
Wow. So you quit your job? I am sure it's because of that princess.
Yes, I did. She's been disturbing me, threatening me.
She wants you or what?
She's unhappy because I told her we're dating. And she promised to deal with you. So unfortunate.
And I'm still waiting for the day I will meet her one-on-one and return that slap. I can't wait for that day. She will see hell. Anyway, I'm sure you'll get a new job.
I will. Enough of her. How's your father?
He's fine. He's gone to the shop.
Right. So you said the prince came here to rant?
That one. That idiot. He thinks we're money mongers.
And you? How dare you leave the palace? Oh, I see. So you left the palace because of this low-life demented fool. This bastard. This daughter of a nobody. I'll leave. I used to be sorry. Oh my goodness! Okay. You damn mad! You're mad!
It's okay.
I slept with Prince Kachi.
Hey, shut the fuck up! I will set your brain. Don't ever mad with my name. What's that? Who slept with you? I go wire.
How shameless can you be?
Mom, wait. Are you gonna believe a mad woman? Can't you see that she's mad? She's already mad.
I am not mad.
I said shut up!
It's a lie, oh!
I even saying she's mad.
It is a lie. He slept with me. He said he loves me. He wants to marry me. Don't you love me?
She's mad. And I said I love a cleaner. This girl is mad. Are you lying with my name?
You were sleeping with my son?
Yes! We were doing it. He was giving me back to back, front to front. Me and Udwaki.
Which with this with you what?
Yeah, you.
Don't mention my name for her again. Are you mad?
You are sleeping with my son?
God forbid I was taking a young for my eyes. God forbid.
You were sleeping with my son too?
My Lord, I can never do such a thing.
Kachi!
Your Highness, that is not all. We're sleeping with each other every morning. When I sleep with the prince in the morning, Udwaki will sleep at night.
Stop that nonsense.
Then she started going every night, every day. Then I now slept with Echena 4 times.
Which Echena? Echena for what? Are you married? Sleep with you. Shut up your mouth, Echena. Wow, really? For me? See, Lolo, you go. Nalayo. See, I beg you. I'm telling you. Nala, I beg me to cover your mouth now. Before you go talk and say, it's a lucky way. Yes, I'm telling you. That's the next thing she's going to say.
Hey, Your Highness, it is a lie. It is all a lie. All of you should swear.
Who is that?
Let me know.
We need to take this girl to this. This girl is mad.
You have 3 days to leave this place. Your secret and abomination have long overdue. You are not supposed to be here. You are occupying someone's place. You're evil. We don't know who have come to an open. Prepare to leave this palace or face the wrath of the gods. Akokaria, the gods have spoken.
Esebo, you lie! That's a big lie! I will never leave this palace. I am the next king of this land, and it will happen. Nothing can stop me. Not even you or anybody. Get out!
You don't go. Make we talk about this idiot.
No. Before you go talk and say, you sleep with everybody. Yes. Make we come out now. She's crazy. You don't say that time when you talk, say, you don't like him. You don't say I laugh because I believe I say, I won't believe him. So now when you go talk and say, you don't like me, talk the fire you. Come on, come on.
My king! My prince, come and do me.
No. Say that she's sleeping with my dad. I'm telling you. This will make it look crazy. It's just mad. Isn't that way they talk, say?
I don't even think they should keep her in the palace. They should take her to the psychiatric hospital where she will be treated.
I'm telling you.
She's mad.
Very bad. But didn't you hear me? I said leave this palace before I kill you with my bare hands.
What are you still waiting for? Just leave. Leave. Prostitute.
Leave. Pack your things and leave.
I will go, but before I go, you get on something where I want to.
Nobody's interested in whatever you are saying. Quietly leave.
My husband, I said the nonsense you want to say.
No, it is not important. Allow her to go. Go.
I don't carry bere.
You are a fool.
You are an idiot. Big fool.
Okay.
It's a big shit ass.
I don't say I be fool. In fact, I don't say I be very, very, very big fool. Because this bere, I don't know when I equate it up. I be na Prince Kachi.
What? You are an idiot. You are lying. Come and get out of this frustrated being. She's a frustrated being. That's why she's saying all this nonsense. Imagine.
Igwe.
You are frustrated. Leave.
What? Akukaria.
Join us, I know that you. Arena Igwe, Arena Prince Kachi.
Get away.
Kachi.
You are talking nonsense.
I said Arena Igwe, Arena Prince Kachi.
She's a frustrated person. Don't listen to her.
Akukaria.
Don't listen to her.
What is she talking about?
Finish you have. Are you listening? No, it's not. That's not what she's saying. Come and get out of this place.
Hey!
Take your big ass from. Get out. Come on, get out of this place.
So all of una won't deny this brain now una room yo.
Get out.
Igwe you room yo.
Get out of this place.
You room yo.
Get out.
All of una room yo.
Are you sure what you're talking?
I wonder why you plan. You wonder why you plan listening to this fool. Somebody who is drowning in the river must definitely look for something to hook on. Don't listen to her. How can she say that?
How can a maiden come before you with so much courage to speak such ill thing against you and you call that a lie?
She's jealous of my wife. That's why she's saying all this nonsense. No, my daughter, remember I'm a knight of the church. I can't do such a thing. It's not possible.
Jealous of my mother. Can you even hear yourself speak?
How can you believe that thing she's saying?
This is abominable.
Sleeping with her. How?
If she's not, she showed herself, she would have said it's my son. Sure that everybody will attack me.
I can't sleep with her. She's a common maiden.
There is no point I can sleep with this idiot. Don't listen to them.
You are an idiot. You are a fool. A compound idiot. That is who you are. You don't hear? The Enak Prince. The Enak Igwe. Now pay her boko. And you dare tell me that you're pregnant? What is my business with your pregnancy? Or someone who are pregnant?
Echenna. So all of you now won't deny this bere.
Deny what? Which bere? You don't mind? Come on here now. Idiot. Mugu. My friend, get out here. Get out here, idiot.
Echenna, you're Romeo.
Me, do you? Do you what?
Remember, say you're Romeo.
Don't fire you. What me? Do you? Okay, come out here. Don't tell me to make I push you. Come out here now. I can never do anything with you. What do you mean? Go. You want to tell me that I'm the owner of the pregnancy? When you they busy, they not keep with the not prince. What the? Come out here, idiot.
You don't say so.
Cause up. You see, I will kill you. I don't make you come out here. Me do you. I can never do you. You want to tell me that I'm the owner of this pregnancy? When you they not give way, they not prince. They tell us say sweet yo. Oh yo, don't forget. Come on, see, if I carry this relax. I really say come on. I can't carry this. Yo, Bruno, I'm on here. Let me say,
I just can't believe my ears. God. I warned my cousin sister. I warned her, but she won't listen to me. Why are some girls so desperate? They do things without thinking. Why?
This is terrible. I can't believe this. First, it was our friend who professed her love to Afana, and Princess Akuna just fired her disgracefully. Is it Adama? Adama was sleeping with the prince and Echena. Now Udwak. Udwak was sleeping with father and son. And now she's pregnant.
She also slept with Echena.
Girls,
girls, what do we really want in this life? Imagine your cousin's sister. She had a good man that was ready to get married to her. But instead, she cheated on him. And now see where it has landed her. I pray we don't make this kind of mistake in our lives.
Thank you very much, my son.
It's okay, Papa. It's okay.
You are a very good friend.
Thank you, Papa.
It shall be well with you. It shall continue to be well with your family.
Thank you so much, Papa. Ezemo, what are you doing here? He's the great DB of my kingdom.
Why are you living in a strange land? The hunter that picked you up did not know where you came from. But he told you he picked you in the bush, where you were lying down beside your dead mother, Nak.
You're right, wise one.
You are the rightful heir to the throne of Oru Kingdom.
My father?
You are living in the hunter's house who picked you in the bush many years ago. You are the son of Oji and Nak.
Oh my goodness.
Your father killed his father in his farm while his mother was pregnant. She gave birth when it was not due. Due to pain and fear, she died in the bush.
One day, just one day, I got put it It's like pregnancy that can never be covered. Your evil can only last just for a while.
So, I'm a king?
So we are related?
We have no time. The enemy is coming. This is the appointed time. We all shall return to the palace where you belong forever.
I am a princess?
Yes. A gifted one indeed. You saw everything coming, but you needed clarification.
Forgive me. Stand up, my son. Stand up. The sins of the father cannot be used against the son. You offended no one. It is now I know the reason for this your closeness with us. It is blood relationship. Huh? So relax, son. You did not offend anyone.
I live to see the true heir to the throne of Oru Kingdom. The gods has favored me. Let us rush to the palace. There is no time.
If it's a one day, just one day.
She's not here. So what do we do now?
Let's call the princess. Call the princess.
Igwe, I cannot help you anymore. Your son humiliated my daughter. Still have the guts to talk to her in a very useless manner. Igwe, think of it.
Mbakwe, you see, my problem is compounded now. The chief priest came the other day and told me that I should vacate this palace in 3 days' time. I am confused.
Of course, yes. Whatever that has a beginning surely must have an end. Of course, yes. Your son has already brought to an end our relationship. He has done that already. And there's no way I can help you. And that cannot be because of you start fighting the gods. The gods will destroy me. I will not. Come to it. Think about vacating this palace. Because it is not your place, you know that. Of course you know. I saw my boys dead. And the boy is kept. That is to say that he must have exposed you the more. That's all I have to tell you. I am leaving. I can't help anymore. Please. Handle your case.
Hi.
How long will this continue?
So Akachi, my son, is sleeping with my sweetie? Can you imagine that? It's an abomination. How can a father and son be sleeping with same girl? What is that? And to add salt to an injury. This stupid Asian came here demanding for his allowance. I will kill that boy and he will receive his allowance for his ancestors. Idiot.
You a big fool. Am I supposed to teach you your job? No, am I supposed to teach you your job? I said kill everyone. Kill the girl, kill Afana, kill the girl's father. Kill all of them. You must see someone there. What do you mean there's nobody there? Kill somebody. You must kill somebody. That's where my anger will be pacified. Kill someone. I just need the results. Kill them all.
My prince, Maru, you shot him? See, I didn't know it was him. Besides, what is he doing here? He's dead. You killed him. Why? Look, it's a mistake. And we have to do something about it. What kind of nonsense mistake is this, eh? We need to leave here right now. We need to leave here now. Follow up, follow up. Let's go.
You are a very useless man. Very useless man. Ashawo Igwe. Just look at your life. Foolish man. Very foolish man. You had the guts to cheat on me with that dirty local Akwa Ibom girl. Shame on you! Shame on you! Are you not ashamed of yourself? Ashawo Igwe. You're not even the real Igwe. You're not even the real Igwe. You had to murder the real heir to the throne. Don't worry. The whole world will hear of it. Irresponsible man.
Listen, Agatha. You can do anything you want to do. But please, stop pointing at me.
What will you do? What will you do? I'm pointing at you. Akukaria, what can you do? Irresponsible man. Irresponsible man. Just imagine. Elata. I'm still talking. Irresponsible Igwe. If you do today, your son will do tomorrow. Like father, like son. Like father, like son. Irresponsible father, irresponsible son. Just look at you. You're now scared of the throne, right? You're trying to run away from the throne. Come and run, let me see you. Come and run. You will die.
Akukaria, you will die. The gods will punish you for disgracing me this way.
Get out of my way.
I will not get out. And let me tell you for your information, I'm going to Lagos. I will be going to Lagos. And when I get there, I will get one fresh young bobo with a very fresh blood that will service me. He will make love to me all through the night till daybreak. And you will do nothing. I said you will do nothing. I will disgrace you.
Get out of my way.
I will not.
Get out of
I will not, Akukaria. I will not. Irresponsible man. Murderer. 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 I will tell the whole world of your evil deeds with Onowu. You are not even the real king. I will disgrace you. The young man will sleep with me and satisfy me till daybreak.
Agatha.
Akukaria.
Get out of my way.
I will not get out.
I said get out of
I
my
will
way.
not get out.
What's going on? Father, what did you do? What did you do? What did you do? Mom. Father, what did you do? What did you do? She's dead. What did you do? What? No.
Agatha, what's the meaning of this? I was just thinking, just to silence you a bit. Just stop talking. Just stop running your mouth. I didn't mean to hurt you. Agatha, please now, please. Biko, wake up, please. Oh, God.
What's happening? What is happening?
Behold, the real heir and Igwe of Oru Kingdom and his daughter.
Says who?
The gods.
Meaning?
This is funny. But that's the vulcanizer. That's the daughter. The mad dog. The girl that beat me up.
You heard him. He said that you've been sitting on my throne, enjoying my glory. Your reign has come to an end. Step down.
Ezemo, please. I don't understand all this nonsense. What's going on?
Destiny, they say, can be delayed but can never be denied. Truth, indeed, has befitted our land.
See, can someone tell me what is going on? Ezemo, you've not been able to make a point. What are you saying?
Igwe Akukaria, give up our throne. You are a disgrace to this kingdom. You disappointed this kingdom. You and your family are banished from entering this land.
What does this now? What is going on today? Tonight is a Black Friday.
She's the one that sent us to kill her.
Kill who?
Kill who? Kill who?
Huh? You.
Me?
Yes. Hey! Yes. She sent us to wipe out the whole family.
Hey.
But we mistakenly shot the prince.
Hey!
The prince!
Aro!
My son.
Now you say you want to open wife for me. No be sent us. No be you.
Abomination! Abomination!
It wasn't me.
You're under arrest. And you have to go with us now. Move!
I said move! Do you want me to move? Move! I said move! Take them out!
No! I want to be the president!
Abomination! Move! Abomination!
Princess! Come on, open that gate! Open that gate! Hey! Open the gate! Open the gate! Open the gate! You will allow me! You will allow me! Open the gate! You will allow me!
Thieves have finally visited our land.
This marks the beginning of a new era.
My son, Afamina. My daughter, Princess Olu. In the presence of the new Olu and all these other prominent people of Olu, I declare both of you husband and wife. You shall not endure, but enjoy each other all the days of your life. You shall have many children. Many boys and many girls is your portion, and you shall grow old, live to see your children. It shall be well with you, and it shall be well with our land, Lord.
Will this continue? How long? How long will the truth be hidden? How long? If our born is one day I'll go put if our born is one day I'll go put